AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome, good morning to the micro soldering show. Today the second video, and we do an iPhone 8 Plus, which got the problem that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is grayed out and doesn't work anymore at all. So let's see if we can fix this. I just want to show it to you on the enhanced camera. So going down here, open the enhance, and what we see now is that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are just not able to activate. Okay, just do something for Instagram. iPhone 8 Plus, no Wi-Fi and no Bluetooth. I will fix that now. Okay, at first we could use our amazing ICC Pro, a tool which every technician in the whole world needs. And you see, in this case, USB control IC should be okay. We start by disassembling the phone and getting this error fixed as fast as possible. Just need the right screwdriver. David, do we need any displays or... Yeah? So you can just have a look later, so I can write Ricardo that he can do the order. Okay, we open the device and it looks like it wasn't open before. That's always pretty nice. Okay, so and now we just open the screws, getting out the board and getting out the Wi-Fi module. So this error happens often after a drop. So we have cold solder joints or broken solder under the Wi-Fi IC. And in this case we have just to reball the IC, having a look if we need some jumpers or not. And we should be fine again after that. You see, all are really, it's not, all are really calm in here because everybody works something. That's pretty good. Only Kyle51 sitting behind me, and I don't know what he's doing. No, I know what he does. He is just mounting some ICC Pros because our release date is coming, and a lot of people would like to have an ICC Pro. After that I have to do a data recovery job on an iPhone 6s. No boot on an iPhone SE. No audio on an iPhone 7. So there are some things I have to do today in the morning. Got some iPad stuff here. So always if Andy is not here, I have to do a lot of works, which I normally don't have to do. Okay, let's see. Under the microscope. Okay. Let's start. First, I just peel off the stickers. I will renew them later. Just cut it here, take it out here, And later I just renew the whole clue sticker. Okay. First we have to clean up the underfill around the IC. Gently remove the glue. Don't cut too deep. Gently remove the glue in all the areas. And David, today if DHL is coming, please think on counting the packages, or just control if the right amount of packages is included. Okay, now we just take out the Wi-Fi IC. Done. Fast and clean. Now we clean up the board. Just put it in that way. Okay, we clean up with some contact cleaner. And using a wipe with contact cleaner, push on it. And now we just clean the rest of the underfill. Done. pushing slightly with a wipe. And it should look like that. Now we just clean the Wi-Fi module. In case that the Wi-Fi module is really shorted, so the device wouldn't boot anymore at all, or it would be getting very hot and you have a high battery consume, or the module is just broken, you have to take out the NAND and unbind Wi-Fi and take a new module. But in this case, hopefully it's only cold solder under the module because the phone was dropped, and after the drop Wi-Fi was gone, and in these cases mostly it's just a broken solder under the Wi-Fi module. By the way, you can buy this WL single shaft board holder at lixma.de. They have it in stock. Now we do a reball of the module. Just need to take a look for my stencil. Here we are. You see some dirt. Clean up the stencil, put it back again, and now we just need some solder paste, 183. In this case I use Kelly Shun. You can use PPD Pro, WL, or anything other you want. I just have opened now the 183 Kelly Shun, so I just take it. You can get that at rexcom.de. And now we just do the reball. And we are done. Waiting a short time for cooling down. And you see that's nice, just a little bit more of flux and fast and quick reflow. Getting the flux everywhere. Here in that area we could have a little bit more. Okay, and so we don't have to clean the flux and just can take the IC back to the board and solder it down, and we don't have to use flux on the board because we have enough on the IC itself. Just want to take a picture. Done. Now we just place the IC at the right point and we can solder it down. And That's all. Here, these pads are no stuff, so no problem. What are you searching? And now we can test. I will renew the glue sticker later and doing some cleaning work later. But just for you to show, I just want to put the board back. By the way, we can use our desk. Okay, it's completely renewed and yeah. So I just connect the screen and the ambient light sensor. So the screen is bright enough then. And we start the device and let's have a look if we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth function again. So I have to take a look for the code. Okay. And as you see, Wi-Fi works again. If we wait a short time, we see the networks and all is fine. Boom, back to life again. Fast job, iPhone 8 Plus, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, solved in a fast way. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Borderline Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. I'm out now. We see us tomorrow with the next video. By the way, just get your ICC Pro at iccpro.de. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.